Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my Lady Boss YouTube channel. So actually, I have not created a vision board in a long time. I just kind of wanted to get a grasp and kind of have like a really good visualization for 2021, and I just kind of wanted to go ahead and show you some of the goals that I have for 2021, and honestly maybe that'll spark some inspiration for you and to honestly just start planning your goals and doing things like a lot sooner, because I know we're only in October. But first things first, before anything, I decided to go to the dollar store. You don't have to spend like a fortune on any type of vision board. Honestly, I spent like a few bucks on actually getting picture frames instead of getting like the normal typical like whiteboard or anything like that, because I had a different like vision for what I wanted. So I ended up just going to the dollar store and picking up a few materials that I needed. Then before you do start any type of vision board, it's always a good idea to kind of put all the things, goals, dreams, anything like that that's in your head and put it on paper, just so you kind of have somewhat of like an outline that you can kind of follow. Then after I have went ahead and written down a lot of the things that I want to put on my vision board, I now start to go ahead and look for these photos online. So if I do find images that kind of will really resonate with me and what really match with my goals. Once I have finally figured out all the photos and any types of things that I wanted to put on my vision board, I went ahead and started putting everything together. And I thought this would be something that would really be something different, I guess you can say, to put on a vision board. I actually made two different types of Venn diagrams. So I really wanted to balance a lot of things with my personal health, physical and mental abilities. And then the other one that I did, I kind of did a different type of chart because finances to me and saving and all of that is something that is near and dear to my heart, and I really think that's kind of like a really good root for a lot of things of my goals that I have for myself. Then once I have finished putting all the things in my picture frames to create my vision boards, I decided to go ahead and hang this up in my hallway in my bathroom, because that's somewhere where I will always be able to see it when I wake up in the mornings, get ready, you know, do anything like that.
Here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe.
And I think that's really important when you do create these vision boards, is to place it in ways where your goals, your dreams, aspirations, all of that right in front of you, because it's such a great reminder. So I hope that my vision board has inspired you to create your own, and honestly, it is never ever too early to start creating your goals, your dreams, aspirations, or even a vision board. It's only October and I have already started planning out my 2021 goals, and it's never ever too early. Don't ever be discouraged. You can literally start at any point in time, because I like to really get a head start just because it gives me a really good visualization for what I really want to accomplish and achieve. And so I hope that you maybe start sooner than January 1st, and I do inspire you to definitely do this because it really will help you solidify everything, to give you a good foundation and to give a lot of visualization to what you want to accomplish in the next year. So I appreciate you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next week's video. Thanks so much. Bye guys.